head and shoulders is a bearish reversal pattern if it breaks the neckline. So, nasaan po ba yung neckline? Ito po yung neckline. Ayan. The neckline is at 108,000 plus minus. Pwede mong isagad dun sa 106 yung low. Depende kung saang chart ka nakatingin, anong exchange gamit mo. But more or less, nandoon po yung area na yan, ng neckline, 106 to 108,000. A daily close below it, okay, makikita natin na there's a probability na mag-step up yung mga bears and push the price lower. Okay? So, ano naman dito yung level para masabi natin na, ay, safe na kami dito. Safe na tayo dito. Alright? Ito po. Yung left shoulder high, which is around 118. Remember, this is our SR flip area also. So, ito kailangan natin i-take out to. We need